How to call vehicles in darkest days. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Darkest Days and want to call your vehicle when you need to travel, firstly open up the Darkest Days game and make sure that you're inside the homepage. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the vehicle option from the bottom. But before that, make sure you have the vehicle unlocked. If you need to unlock it, then you will not see this vehicle option at the bottom. The more level you cross, the faster you'll have the vehicle option unlocked. So in order to do that, keep completing your level, and once you reach to a specific level, you'll be able to unlock the vehicle option. To call the vehicle, simply tap the vehicle option at the bottom and wait for a few minutes or seconds, and you will notice that your cargo is being delivered to you. Your vehicle will be displayed right nearby you. Now all you need to do is to get to your vehicle, and once you find your vehicle, go nearby it. You'll see the right option, just click on that and you are inside your vehicle now. So right after you do that, you can go ahead and ride your vehicle just like that. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.